Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to install Netflix on your Amazon Fire Stick, step by step. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, we'll guide you through the process so you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Step 1. Power on your Fire Stick. Plug your Amazon Fire Stick into your TV's HDMI port and connect the power cable. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Make sure your Fire Stick is connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Navigate to the home screen. Once your Fire Stick is on, you'll see the home screen. Use your remote to navigate. On the top menu, select the search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass. Step 3. Search for Netflix. Type Netflix using the on-screen keyboard. As you type, suggestions will appear. Select the official Netflix app from the list. Step 4. Download and install. Click the Get or Download button to start downloading the Netflix app. It should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install. Step 5. Open Netflix. After installation, click Open to launch Netflix. You can also find it later on your Fire Stick's home screen under Your Apps and Channels. Step 6. Sign in or sign up. If you already have a Netflix account, enter your email and password to sign in. If not, you can create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Step 7. Start streaming. Once signed in, you can browse thousands of movies, TV shows, and Netflix originals. Use the Fire Stick remote to navigate categories, search for content, and add shows to your watch list. And that's it! You now have Netflix installed on your Amazon Fire Stick, ready to stream anytime. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial.